25th problem. Pentagonal lamina of sides 25 mm which is having a side both on HP and VP. Both on HP and VP is nothing but this is a third position. A pentagonal lamina of sides 25 mm is having a side both on HP and VP is nothing but it is the third position they have given at the beginning. The surface of the lamina is inclined at an angle of 60 degree with HP. 60 degree with HP, that is second position they have given, and draw its projection it is given. If it is given like that, both the side is both on HP and VP means it is resting on HP only, because HP angle they have given. This is the third position, both on VP and HP, and both on HP, the side both on HP and VP, whenever it is given, it is resting on one of its sides only. So this indicates resting on edge, because that edge is on HP and VP. Now when it is resting on HP, it is resting on HP, and the first inclination you have to take it as 60 degree with HP. So we should take 60 degree with HP. Now we will solve this problem. (25 mm) it is resting on one of its sides 25 mm because both on SP and VP. This condition, when it comes in the problem, it is resting on edge only, on SP. So edge should be left side. So 25 mm you have to take at left side, and you should give the arrow marks of dimension. So that is 25 mm. Now take an angle of 108 on both the sides. So 108 you have to take. So 90, 100, 108 on either side. So 108, 100. This is 108. Now join these two with thin line. This point and this point. How much required, you just draw that much only, don't extend more. Then cut it by 25 mm distance. You can take the scale and take the distances. And cut it by either side. And then from this side. So get 3 points. So this is A point, this is B point, this is C, this is D and E. Now we'll join all these points with dark lines. So D we got here. Next from E to A, C to B, then from C to D. Now draw the projector from all the side, because the inside angle is 108 degree, or outside angle you can take it as 72 degree to take the angles. Now these 2 points are intersecting at the same point, so you can draw one projector directly, no need of any parallel lines. So 2 you have drawn. Now you have to draw another one. For that you need parallel line. If it is in grid book, no need of these parallel lines. Directly you will be having the lines there. You can draw easily. So because of it is a white paper, we should need a parallel lines to get. till intersection of XY line. Now we got a lamina of pentagonal plane. Just join these 2 points. You will get, when you are weaving from this side, B is visible, so B dash outside, A is not visible, which is inside the bucket. C is outside the bucket, E is outside the bucket. C is inside, E is inside the bucket. Then D dash. When you are weaving from this side, C is outside the bucket, E is inside the bucket. D dash is outside, so B is outside the bucket, A is inside the bucket, because which is not visible. A, E are not visible. Now it is inclined at an angle of 60 degree with HP. So we will take 60 degree angle by marking here. We will take 60 degree angle from that point, and that point is called as B dash A dash. From that point I have to take 60 degree. It is given in the problem. So don't make any errors when you are taking angle, because that will give error in the projections. It is inclined at an angle of 60 degree. So now join with thin lines. With thin line you have to join. Then cut this by B dash and A dash to D dash distance. This distance, take this distance, right? Take this distance and cut it by keeping at B dash A dash point, cut that line, and then take distance B dash A dash to C dash. So this distance you have to take and cut once again from keeping at A B dash A dash point. So you will get here 2 points, that is nothing but C dash and E dash point here and D dash point here. Now only make that part dark. Only this dark, and then draw the projector from either side. Now from E point till E, then A point, till A, then from B point till B, then C point, and then from D point. Now draw the projector. Next from B and A till it intersect B and A, and then CE, and then from D point So now we got all the points, and give the arrow mark for that. So this inclination is 60 degree. It is given in the problem only. Inclined to HP at an angle of 60 degree. You have to take it in VP. Now intersection of D and D is D. This is C point. E and E, E. This is A point. This is B point. Now join all the points. A to E, D to E, then C to B, so this is the second question. When a lamina is inclined at an angle of 60 degree with HP. Now this edge, So this edge, I am saying this edge is on XY line, that is nothing but 25 mm having a side both on HP and VP. This resting side is on VP and HP. So for that I will take, we will mark a point here and we will call it as A point. So we'll rotate and keep here. So this is A point, I will write here and I will cut it by B distance. Just I am rotating this and I am keeping this because the resting edge is both on HP and VP. We'll take this distance and keeping at A point I will cut XY line. So we got another point here. So this is B point I got here. Now you have to construct this pentagon here. That is a resting edge is both on HP and VP. It is given in the problem. Take A to E distance, or you can take B to C distance. Both are having same. So B to C, or you can take A to E. So we will draw arc here. And then take distance from opposite edges, opposite corners. So from B I am taking C distance, E distance, or you can take distance from A to C. Now by keeping at A point, we'll cut this arc. Now by keeping at B point, cut this arc. Now we got another 2 points. We'll draw another point, that is C to D, or you can take E point. Both are same. So we'll keep at this point. We'll draw arc, and then by keeping it this point, we'll draw one more arc. We got another point. Now we'll join these points. Now we got C point, D point and E point. The same pentagon has been transferred here. This has been transferred here, right? The same pentagon. Now we'll draw the projector from these points. A D point. Next from C and E point. Already these other have been drawn, so we'll give the arrow marks on XY line only. So now I'll take from E point, A point, B point, E point, all the point we have to draw the projector. Now from E point, so E is here, and then from A point, now from A point we have to draw the projectors. Till it intersect A only. So A is on this point only, no need to draw A and B. So we'll go for D point. Next, from C point you have to draw projector. Drawn all the projectors, so we'll give the arrow marks. So A dash is here only, it is B dash, this is C dash, this is D dash, and it is E dash. Now we'll join all the points. This is how you have to construct when a side is both on HP. This is a side which is both on HP and VP. So this is how you have to construct, and it should be resting on one of its edge only.